3, 2, 1.
Pasikas.
Exe bafethu, sanibonani lapha emakhaya bafethu. Once again, you're welcome. Namkelekile, just welcome and bafethu. Welcome, izanini. It is the time that you guys have been waiting for. Ixesha lezibhoki kaloku. Yes, I know you've been waiting for it. Yeah, I know. So yeah, guys, this is the moment that you've been waiting for. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for taking this moment, bafethu. Uthi, yeah, I've been waiting. Sika, yeah, uphatheni namhlanje uphetheni. Yeah, nama ngazi ngiphethe sister lam lano. Angazi usiphatheleni. So sizozwa ngaye ukuthi uthini. Yabona sibhoko bamkhawathile, bamdabutsi alele ebusuku, bamlahlela ngemonopopi. Ay guys, asas. Don't you just go nowhere. Just hang in there. And let's say ukuthi usister usiphatheleni. So please, on that note, don't forget bafethu to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Yeah, bafethu, share our stories. Let us know what you think. Once again, we're international, bafethu. I'm taking classes, bafethu. Sinini ngamangani, sishaya amanye ama-language awuyedi. Yeah, awuyedi. So yeah, sizonifundisa, we'll teach you. So don't go anywhere. Just staying. Ngizonitshela ukuthi ngesi-French ukuthi staying ngisho ukuthini. Let's go anyway, bafethu. Kafel, sister. Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila
All right?
Yeah, ngisharp.
It's good. Tusivakashele today. Okay, cool. Okay. Uzo kanjani ngeSoweto podcast? How did you know?
Social media platforms. Yeah.
Bowenzani with social media platforms?
I think I'm always like on YouTube and always scrolling and stuff. And I was like, oh, so there's this podcast that actually showcases, these real stories that resonates with Black people. I was like, okay. Then I got interested. I subscribed, and yeah, the rest is like history.
Which story did you pick up? I
picked up a story. So the lady who, what was his name? Tiamo. Ayehlala bathenge indlu kubo, and then there was this other ghost, beyimthomenta, and her mom was like, there's just a lot of, I think that was just one of those stories.
Story.
Yeah.
Is it? Okay. And then how did you relate to that story? Were you going through the same thing? We've been in the same situation?
Not really, but it's not like, mine is not like your ghost, but in a way I could connect with, okay, because she mentioned her faith and stuff, and I was like, all right, at least there's someone who I can like literally connect with, even though our stories are not like directly interlinked, but there's sort of like similarities here and there. Yes.
Okay. All right. Ntanseka, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. Let us tell the whole world, that you're going to be very famous from now on.
Sure.
No, I'm just asking, what do you know?
I know. I know,
so just to prepare, what
songs about nama autograph vele. Or Kamela, but
well, as what I've got.
Okay.
All right, please let us know who you are. Just give us an introduction of yourself.
All right. My name is Neo Swarake.
Neo Swarake.
Yes.
Okay.
And then in Snake Park. That's where I was born and bred. I was raised by two amazing parents who played a very huge role in shaping the person that I am today.
Okay.
Yeah, my late dad, his name was Solomon Maliho. May his soul rest in peace. And my mother, Paulina Maliho.
Okay.
And yeah, I grew up in Snake Park from humble beginnings with my siblings, who were just 3 by the time before Angela's born years later. And yeah, in a shack, 2-room shack, and yeah, it was just full of love. And, from the little that my parents could, earn to make it feel like a home. Like, I think that was just one of the memories and some things that I'll be grateful for because, yeah, I think bazame kakhulu abazali bami. But into engi-appreciate kakhulu ilento ukuthi they've instilled like values, which is something that I'll always be grateful for. Ukuthi bang-introduce like faith by Christianity. I think that's the most inheritance they've gave me, because they were not educated and never rich, but at least they instilled values that shaped the person that I am. And also, in a nutshell, I've always been this person, energetic, confident, But see, from a very young age, I've been like this eloquent young girl who was just vivacious. But kuma a crash, I would be picked up. Umama makangixoxela ukuthi like yimi la bengizorepresent her like the whole crèche. Ukuthi ngime phambili ngenze i-station. You know, like I was just that girl who's confident. And umama asho ukuthi she saw that in me ukuthi yeah man mntanami kunalento nje especially ngaye, so but bekahlulwa imali ukuthi angaze angifake like kuma agencies ukuthi at least lento ibonakale ikhule and stuff. Yeah, I've been that from, and then in primary. Yangikhule ngithanda isonto. I think isonto has been like a center of my life. Lo mntana uthanda isonto, esontweni abuye. Lo mntana bebathanda ngenza example ngaye abanye abazali ukuthi wangafani noNeo because uthanda isonto, uhlala endlini uthanda incwadi. Then like fast forward to primary school, ngafunda Siseko. Okay, so I grew up both at White City nase Snake Park, so I was like so ngifunde White City most of the time. So bengiyohlala nogogo wami because umama wase White City, ugogo use White City. Then yeah, ngafunda from a primary again kube lo mntana lo naye okhethwayo representing like students as a children's counselor, representing like with Johannesburg, like the entire Johannesburg. Remember like that time I was like 14. Fast forward, we went to like a junior secondary school nakhona. When I first went to the school, babafuna ama RCL representative. Then I was like a deputy president, and we're like, because usasemusha, so against the deputy before we're president, because they voted me as a president. Then I became the head girl. Yeah, president. Ngaphuma ngaya eDaliwonga. Yes, and then
Konje upita long
Tintube. Yes. Then ngafika eDaliwonga. Mangifika eDaliwonga nakhona nje ukufika kwami kufike ku grade 10. It was just great. I've always had this favor of God upon me that propelled men or women to gravitate like towards me. Like I had umuntu angathi inhlanhla, but ngicabanga ukuthi ilight onke umuntu abanayo emhlabeni makazalwa, you know, but into enze wese ukuthi ngisindisiwe. So the light of God shined so bright that it was not ignorable in the eyes of men and women. Men as in mankind, because I'm thinking men would be like, male figure, yeah. So mangifika eDaliwonga, I joined the debate. Okay, mangifika vele ngiyifundela nje life ngiyazichubekela. I remember mama said, "Well, join debates ufike nje mina angazi debates, but you're good. Like no ama oral, you articulate so well, you speak well." I'm like, "Oh, really? Let me try it out." And it worked out. Ngayenza ke debates. Ngenini sengiyaphuma lapha kuma best speakers, must represent isikole, I get awards, like even academically, like I'm doing good. Like a certificate because I was doing like history. I've always like from grade 10 to grade 12 I got like a certificate for history. And yeah, then I got a scholarship in grade 10. But he gave me we chose you to like as one of other students that were chosen. Abanye bebenza science, abanye bebenza accounting and business. So this company, this firm is an accounting firm. Bafuna abantu that are specifically doing accounting. Mind you, mina bengenza history pen. And then, but because there's something about you that we really, you know, want to invest in, because like you uzmisele and you know, and ne brand yethu uzoyirepresent kahle. So sicela ukuthatha wena ukuthi urepresente like sikuthathe sicela ukufundisa nanoma singekho, we don't stand for abantu abayenza ama history, but can we invest in your future? Like what? I felt like, oh God, like you're already preparing the road for me. Sase ku grade 10. So happy. Fast forward, ngaphuma eDaliwonga, and then 2014 I matriculated. Then 2015 I went to a Boston Media House because I wanted to like go and specialize in media, because it's always been something that I loved from an early age. Yeah. Then I think that's where we can just like then that's where life started to life. I dropped out a Boston Media House. Maybe 6 months and 6 months.
At Boston?
Yes.
Which one?
In Sandton. More. Then mangfika nje Boston in orientation, and there was an event. So I went to that performance, people that want to do anything. So I was still writing like poetry, but it was lame lines. But because the confidence, even though being balan, but I'm back dating too, let's the is balan, understand. But people enjoyed like whatever that I presented. Then I won like phone, and they were like, yo, when you are so good. Nale mali sizokubhatalisa yona sicela ukubaflela nge-10%, ungayikhiphi yonke. Ceda nokuthatha student loan, like ubhuti wami ungithathela student loan ukuthi ngifunde. Bathi hayi ngithi umama ngifika endlini ngijabulile ukuthi at least mama yazi le mali le bathi siyafula na uzothatha uqale like uzithengisele something ukuthi uzokhona ukungigibelisa going forward. Mama nathi uyazi uNkulunkulu muhle mntanami. Sithi ngizofunda ngiqhubeke nga-drop out to Boston. And that was in 2015.
2015.
Yeah, that's when everything started to begin. Yeah.
Okay.
Should I go on?
I think you've started already, so yeah, right? You might as well not disturb you. Mm-hmm.
So in 2015, I dropped out of school because
which course?
I was doing media studies. So I wanted to major in like journalism and broadcasting. So, but I dropped out. In tengenza ukuthi drop out esikoleni namhlanje angize ngikutshele because ngingumuntu osithanda isikole ngenhliziyo yami yonke and ngingumuntu onama dreams and aspirations ukuthi I am the Oprah Winfrey of my generation. I've always been that woman who says I want to inspire women, like I want to be that lela sister abantu mabambona, but I just want to be like her when I grow up, educated, chasing her dreams and just being a good role model to abantu abayang. Yabo, hayi kanti life ake azange ngize ngikhone ukuqhubeka ngama studies wami. I dropped out. So, buti into eyenza ukuthi ngidrop out esikoleni, I became this wild child. Remember lapho angiphuzi, angijoli, I'm a virgin, nama boyfriend benganayo, like even from khuleni kwami na 19 lapha eVarsity. Bengisaba abantu besilisa ngalendlela lekuthi bebathi books before boys because boys bring babies, and that was a principle that I lived with. Because I don't want boys. I don't want to be pregnant. Ish, God is looking at me, at church, sex before marriage and all these things. But I became so wild. Like mangimele ngiesikoleni bekuyinkinga bhuti wami. And yabona esentini from a snake park ngicela ucalculate mhlambe kungicosta 100 rand ukuya, because I think that time it takes bekuyi 20 rand ngingakabi that bad. I think it cost 100 rand ukuya nokubuya ngaleso sikhathi ku 2015. How angisaya esikoleni sengumuntu obhala amaletha, ngiyahamba ngiya kuma dodgy places ngiyofuna ukuthi bangibhalele iletha bangifakele ngikhiphe 450 ukuthi kufake iletha ukuthi esikoleni angiyanga. Angisubmit ama assignment. How ngafail and besingabhala ama exam, like we just did assignments, just the computer yo besibhala kuphela. So we just like obviously yonke into isencwadini, so I can't fail ngenza ama assignment kanjani. Mangifika eklasini ngiyakhala, like ngiba emotional. So lecture yami mangiyibona, like this guy ngiyamkhumula is white owe-radio, mangimbona bengibona i-creature engingayazi, like a different efani. So eklasini bengike kusa-concentrate because now mina sengenza umsindo, sengiyakhala manje angazi ukuthi ngikhalelani. Hayi bangise toilet, hayi man girl, what's wrong? Yabona kube into eqhubekayo, and manje angisafunda esikoleni senginamahloni ukuthi mina njalo uma ngesikoleni angifeel nokuthi ngiyabelonga. People don't like me. I feel like there's something that chases people away from me. But kube ngathi ngithi ingqondo yami umama mangimtshela bekunjani esikoleni, bengingamind ukuthi ngesikoleni ngingasaya esikoleni endlini ngenza ngathi ngesikoleni, but ngiyejozi ngiround ijozi hambe ngiyostocka like bese ngiyathengisa. I've always had a passion like for business and stuff, but I think ukuthi even if be passion ngimele ngiqhubeke ngifunde lokhu ngenza le side hustle, yabona. Ngingasaya nasesikoleni. One day babi idini ingibize ethi hayi girl sekuphuma ama results manje and you're not doing good, uthola bo 0 kanje kuwo wonke ama modules kanjani kuyimi, like you're not doing all of them, it's just first semester. What's happening, girl? And I've heard ukuthi hey, you're distracting the class, are you like no, I don't. Like I tell him don't cry, calm down. Do you need a psychologist, like someone who's going to talk to you because maybe unenkinga yini ekhaya, ngicela ungi-explain isimo, yabo. Hayi ungakhona ukumchazela athi bamba yazi angike number ikhadi ukuthi nayi i-psychologist nayi number yami nami, anytime you want to talk to someone feel free to come, but for now can you take your time out, don't come to school until you are settled. Sengiyile esikoleni akusayi, mangifika endlini angisasho sengiyathula nje sengumuntu ongathi uyavuka kuba ngathi uyesikole ngathi ngiyejozi nami ngiyejozi baloku banginika imali ukugibela ngizithengela iroko ngiyazigcokela plus ngizithandela impahla vele ngizithengela amaroko ngizithengela amaroko angisayi amama abuza ama results ngithi ngifailile athi kanjani wonke ama subjects and each module you must pay and ngicela imagine ukuthi imali ini leyo yo sekunzima manje mama sekafuna ukutshela ubhuti wami hey nami ngizama ukumncenga mama uthi hayi ngizozama iplan ngizozama ukuthi ngiphushe ngifunde I promise please give me a chance mhlambe kube ngithatha igap year yabo sengizama ukuba kumkhama down ukuthi naye angastress kakhulu because I mean like why would I fail like all these what's happening so yeah then I had to drop out ngahlala ke khaya. That's when everything started to happen ke lapho ke my life yeah ukuhlala kwami 2016 angithi angisafundi phela manje wonke umuntu ehamba esikoleni nangihleli ngazi ngiyenzani 2017 ngihleli angisayi esikoleni anginamali phela ngizofunda ngani and lesikolodo lesimele ngisibhadale but angithi angakasebenzi so badonsa emalini kabhuti wami but badonsa nje mahala nami angifundanga so ngihleli manje ayikho into engenza sengibusy umuntu ohamba ama auditions ngihamba ngiyofuna nje just opportunities so kuna ama auditions aSoweto TV yimi loya kuna ama auditions kuphi Jozi FM yimi loya izinto azihlangana ngibone ke dlula isikhathi 2018 hayi kube bad 2019 very bad lapho ke yeah from 2018 lapho 2019 things got really bad. I was so depressed. So now I'm resorting into this wildlife, drinking, dating, jola nje ngiyiphuzela utshwala angisayi esontweni angisafuna ukulibona isonto sengumntana nje ushintshile sengicabana lo mama ke manje lapho hayibo kwenzakalani sengiyaxoshwa nini ngilahlelwa ngama plastic we-GM uthi wena ungasabuyi la ngithi ubuya ngo2 AM kwami ngijwayela mama mvele street nje ngaleyo ndlela ubuyaphi baba mlapho bekasaphila athi no man swela umntana baba azama ukuthi bekunemoto umngane wakhe beyipakile like ekhaya athi no asilethile ingobo abantwana bazoyaphi ebusuku kanje hayi uyabamosha siyabazali bami sebayalwa ngenxa yokuthi manje mina sengiphili wildlife umama uzama ukuletha i-order baba uthi hayi uyangizwela manje ngistubborn umama sengiyamphendula nje sengimtshela yo like ngistubborn naturally but I feel like umama ngiyamhlonipha and angiyena umntana odelelayo naye uyahlalasha ukuthi yabona ngaba yilento ukuthi ngiyaphendula but ne respect like kunendlela ukuthi ngiyathanda ukuthi ngibuze why mama sona so hayi yathanda ukubuza ezinye izinto ngimdala kumele ngiquestion you so inquisitive and stuff but then lapha bese ngiba wild ngaba depressed hayi bese kubad sengiyaphuza manje sekuyimuntu nama club umuntu nama like I became so wild like nami to the point ukuthi mangizibheke esipilini bese ngiba like girl this is not the life this is not you isikhathi siyahamba ngaleso sikhathi kube 2019 lapho hayi depression ngithi ngizama ukuthi okay ithi ngibuyele esontweni ngibone bo ngizama ukulungisa impilo yami kodwa ngizozisola kuba nalo nembeza lo girl man change your ways hambe vele ngesontweni ayingidideke futhi hayi futhi nabo futhi esontweni basazongibalisela ngentela ngaphi life yami njani ayi futhi aba understand mina ngiyang ngazama ukuyibalance lento ngibe ngesontweni Sunday nini ngizijayivele mangiphethe isihlamahlama Sunday ngizoya esontweni ekseni chubeke ekho umuntu ozobona mana mina and lapha esontweni I'm participating like I'm in worship team I'm singing I stand there I speak but I'm not living the life that I'm actually telling people when I'm in front so kuba nalento ethi who are you fooling yabo so kube yikho lokho ke then I got depressed to the point ukuthi ke manje sengimuntu ohlalelele angisagezi like nje kunormal ukuthi angigeza ngifuna ukugeza hayibo Neo yini kwenzakalani sengivela izinto manje ebusweni buso bami bonke think futhi manje ngingcono kakhulu lana la benginezinto ezi bad ama pimples like wabona ukuthi lawa kusina aim like leni puberty it's just acne yes yeah ubona ukuthi hayi man mama ayikho nelo engayizamanga like ama products ukuthi at least ngibe right awu kuyafana so I have a friend who was my childhood friend for from the age of, I was 14 when we became friends until, we've been friends since childhood until like I was 26. She's been my friend. Like, we did everything together. Sisizifana nokufana, like sizixhomela abantu sina 10 years we friendship, you know. Sixhomele nosisi wami. Sibona nomngani, 10 years. Sixhomele nangokufana, yabona lama friendship la kuma matching outfit. Nini ngiboleka impahla yami, nini ulala kithi, nini nilala kini. Like nje nasekhaya bekungazuthi base bamthatha njengomuntu omndeni because benokuhamba naye like naseyindaweni. You know, like ezasekhaya kuma relatives and nabo ekhaya because they're welcoming. Bamthatha njengomuntu wasekhaya. Ganti, actually, this friend is the reason behind these things that I just told you about, the few things that I just mentioned. So, okay, kuba umuntu ongilethela ukudla, like food. Chomi, udlani namhlanje ukudla kwakithi kuyangibhora kanjani, afuna exchange ama plate. Kuseni breakfast ngiyaletha la ngilapha ngiye esikoleni ngisafundi sengikhona every day ekhaya. Hey Chomi, ngiphe i-gravy tamati nevoro. Papa lakho limnandi ngiyalishaya. Everything ngiyalethela. Nini sengiyasurprise phela ngingacela ngiyadla ngiyakhala mina vele ngiyazidlela. Yo, usisi wami my younger sister, but I'm like 3 years older than her. So why you busy eating ukudla kwasemzini wami? Nithi mina ufuna ukutaste that. No, I'm not interested. Ngiyafidwa manje ngilethela ukudla. Ngiyadla. How sharp. Kunormal like ayikho intelo. Hayi manje lapho ke izinto zami sezibheda kakhulu. Hayi mazibheda kanjalo ngidepressed ke futhi ngiwild ngiqalela phansi, but sasomngane wami lo muntu la ngiya-apply ke futhi manje umsebenzi angitholi umsebenzi. Ne-retail nix like ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi angaze ngasebenza mina but ngina 31 this year. I've never worked in my life, like to the point ukuthi I've even gave up on applying because I'm tired of hearing the same response, and I even concluded because probably this is my fate. So ngathana se-retail ngibe mthatha umuntu ofana nami, matric results were not that bad. I could have done better, I know, but like when it comes to studying, but in as much as whatever that was happening, I was able like at least to attain that diploma. Though I was like not proud, I wanted to rewrite it. I could have done better. Maybe we need to learn my distinctions. Because I remember say one because when you potential, if you can put effort when I distinctions like a money, but willing phone. So okay, life yama lapho ke sikubusy ke manje, hayi sikubad. Umuntu ohlushwa isibeletho manje. So ayikho nje i-medication engazama ukuyiphuza mina. Kuthi ngihambe nama-clinic bengihamba ke-clinic bangi-check pap smear nix. Okay, cervical no, nothing. Pregnant no, you're not. Pains. Phuze nje ama-pain killers lawo ubona ukuthi ngathi strong, but azoba right ngaleso sikhathi qalele phansi. Sengumuntu manje onjani ebusweni. Nini ngiyajuluka kakhulu. So noma ngigezile nganuka. And ngiqale ngizinukele mina kuqala. Bese ngiyazinyanya. Then omunye umuntu naye specific leso smell leso, but kungabi nento adineke like umuntu angakhona ukuthi angangitshela, but kube nalabo banesibindi sometimes like aze kimi which roll on are you using? Yabona. I'm like, why? And then I know man, there's something offish about it. Like, don't you think maybe we change and stuff? I'm like, yo, it felt so offensive. Ngizizwa man, right. But sometimes nobuzizwa nje ukuthi hayi anginuki kahle. Ikhwapha lami lijuluka like ngaleyo ndlela le ngapha ngiphethe nayisibeletho. Ayikho yena into engayiphuza ukuthi ngizama ukusuppressa le pain. So ngiba umuntu ogulayo ke. Sengiyagula manje ngidepressed, emotional number 1 angifundi mina manje. Angisebenzi. Impilo yami nje imile. Ayikho nje aspect impilo yami eflourishayo. And remember nginamaphupho mina. Ngihlale ngisho ngizibheke esipilini njalo ngithi mama ngizokwenza proud. Mina ngizozenza proud. Ngizokuthatha ngizotravel ama countries like ngiyazi man great. I know I can do it. Ngizi-encourage but manje ngibona yabona life ayike manje. Yabo lezi zinto bese bengizithola easy for mina. Sekuvalekile manje. Ngithi hayi mara mhlambe isikhathi sakaNkulunkulu asikakafiki. Mara ngithi yazi kune into yokuthi isikhathi sakaNkulunkulu masingakafiki uba nepeace ukuthi no man. At least this one aspect of my life is okay. Nanoma lezi ezinye ezingekho right, at least mara le one. So every aspect, but like from relationships to finances to my well-being, like mental health, health, everything was like deteriorating. Like mangifuna ukutshela ukuthi nomuntu wesilisa like lapho vese ngizidate vele angithi ngishilo ukuthi ngumsalari and stuff and isonto ngivumi ukuthi sijolene but the curious me, and obviously I had a friend who's in a relationship like for a childhood relationship. She started it when she was 16 and now she's growing with this person since balokhu bajona. Like yo, anaphela obvious. Ayikho umuntu ongafisi ukuba nomuntu. Yeah, I'm just a lover of love and I believe in love, you know. And lapho sengikhulile man. Ngiyabona. So ngicabanga ukuthi akusinto umuntu angayifihla leyo at that age, you know. And my mom was not like that strict when it comes to dating and stuff. It's just that bekafuna izinto ezi-strict. Yeah. Akusebenzi next year. My relationship bad. Our last. So ngamdate umuntu namhlanje sibe happy sikhiphane siku-date. Bye, see you tomorrow. Blocked. For the we're happy, we're okay, you just dropped me off. Blocked. Kanjani. I just came back and told my friend, yo, Chomi, I went to a date with this nice guy, keeper, just gentleman. Sahlangana in a public place, ngadla, sadla, sa-converse, afterwards, bye-bye, sokubona, sa-chat, sizokhuluma, sizo-arrange for another meet-up. Mase ngifike endlini, sengixoxele wena mngani wami, khohlwa, blocked. So it was not happening, I won. So, but I didn't put much attention to it because I'm thinking, boys are like that, vele nje. Abantu besilisa bayathatha bahambe, uyabona ngimncane mhlambe angakazi understand izinto. So dlula. Another better fighter maybe, yabo. Kube bad, like bad. Ingishaye lento manje ke phela ukuthi yo everyone around me is like in relationships and mina nje ngila stopped. Like yo naloya uyajola. Mina
angijoli. Yebo.
So angithi manje phela ngicycle yabantu abayenza lezi zinto wena obvious nami ngizohalela ngithi ngumuntu and ngumntwana nami ngaleso sikhathi and lapha ngisayi esontweni so angisayizwa le preaching ukuthi ungajola abafana what sengithi hayi life yabo. So yeah, things got bad, really bad.
Okay.
And then, so manje, mangina 14, sahlala emkhukwini ngiyakhumbula ngingaka-akhwa kahle, kusase-10, and that was a long time ago. Bengi-1 ngithi emkhukwini, bengingumntana nje ukhuthele sanda ukuklina, like bengisho ukuthi yo mina abazali bamama bekasemsebenzini uye bekasebenza. Makabuye bekazothola uclean nje, speak and span. Mhlambe 14 bese bangifundisa nokupheka ipapa, niyazi ukuthi azocodelela lezi azicodelelayo. Sendlini ngenzile homework, yonke into nje sharp. 14 ngiyakhumbula bengisafunda lapho esiseko sengizophuma grade 7 if nginganamanga. Yeah, I think so. If Miss County. Then ngihleli nje empedeni ngi-1. Hayi man. Lapho ngina 14 like I think ngijumpile bekumele ngiqale lapho. Angiyazi sexual encounter. I've never had sex. I've never watched porn like ukuthi manje, you know, I'm exposed to these things. How? Now there's this force ezayo. But that time ngitshela ukuthi ubuntwana curious mhlambe umzimba wami sengizama uku-understand. Sengiyalala manje, but with something that I do not see. This thing, pleasure. So mayiqeda lapho and ngi-1. Mayiqeda lapho aqhamuka umngane aqhamuke. So lapha ngoba inkukhu ukude manje aredi makhulu la kunagate akufulelwanga. So uqhamuka like kuba i-distance angathatha maybe like 3 minutes or 4 ukuthi azafike la engikhona. Avula iwindow kancane. Ngithuke mina. Bese ayasmile kanti ngimbonile yo ngithuke fast ukuthi yo khona umuntu ongibonayo like I'm a person who's like having pleasure with as if there's a someone, but there's no person. It's like a spirit or a force. And I'm actually enjoying like whatever that I'm doing. Angena kokota uchomi wenzani wani. Yabo kube umuntu ongangibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani ini. Hayibo. Ngithuke ngithi ngifile guilt ukuthi lento engiyenzile mana doesn't feel right. Shaba isichubeke nge-life. So lento kube into echubekayo fast forward sekakhiwa ama-RDP houses sesiproceeding. Kube into echubekayo vele. Mangiyi-one kuba ne-edge yokuba angaze ngilalele umuntu wesilisa angimazi ukuthi ngihave sexual intercourse kuze kube ne force nje ezayo like engingayazi kuba ngathi umoya ufike like but then when uzo imagine that guy that you have a crush on uza ngaleyo face le kusemini butsipho akusebusuku hayi lale nami lento pleasure nami ay. But then after lapho kube nento ethi wenzani ngifeel bad kube ngathi ngayiconfessa sami ngithi ngiyasala nasesontweni mhlawumbe bazongijaja because bese ngiya noku-attenda lezi zinto zakhona after like zama youth nani bese ama teenagers lapho bebasidividile ama youth but bekhona lawa ama-teen laba abancane so bengisaba ukhuluma into ezokuthi bazothi wena uyaziyenza umzalwane kanjani. So I'm like, okay, maybe the Holy Spirit that is trying to reprimand me. No, what are you doing is not right. But I'm not the one who's like initiating this thing. Lento ifika nje ukuthi ngizihlelele ngiyi-one, I'm bored. And I literally sengizibambile amabele yonke into. Angimazi umuntu wesilisa lapho futhi angikaze ngilalele umuntu wesilisa. Ngiyi-virgin, ngiyabasaba at that point. So kube into vele iqhubeka nga-understand. Sengishaya ipain ngevele le yesibeletho.
So it happened right after that, and then the pain started to happen.
Yes, it continues. So I think mina manje ngijampile bekumele ngiqale ngayo instead of but it's just like they're intertwined. Yes. So kube yilokho ukuthi ngihlushwa ipain ke manje. So manje ke every relationship that I've tried out never worked.
Doesn't work out.
Yes. Bahlala bobhutiza. I think I mentioned that I had so much favor that propelled favor on my way. Like ibengi umuntu attractor ama eligible ngelanguage namhlanje bathi eligible bachelors. So ama eligible bachelors yabo makhotnani yabo but aba right umbonayo ukuthi lo angakise Dubai. That's how things were. Like I feel like it was I'm a person or lovable natural. I don't use anything, I don't do anything. Umuntu nje abanginje ngi-free. Like so la bengihamba khona nje umuntu othandekayo. Like umuntu nje randomly bakangibona bekazothi hello sinjani. I feel like buying you a drink. Like really, you're just beautiful. Take maybe 200 for no reason. And angeke ngicele ni number. Nje abantu besifazane, you're so beautiful. Your dresses look good on you. Yabona besifana lezo like nje I had that. So I used to go with this friend of mine to a certain places and so wayibona leyo nto leyo. What's with this girl? There's nothing wow about her. Like, but nje kunalento le gravitate abantu towards her. So nje I'd be like, thengele my iPhone. Like lapho nginabo 21. That was like the first iPhone I had. Like bengakadumi ngalendlela le idumi ngakhona iPhone. Mara mina ngaphatha maybe like iPhone 6. I think yobe say popular ngaleso sikhathi leyo. Aw. Something I did not have to work really hard for. It came naturally. So even with opportunities, like I would go to a place, for example, like being I remember ngavele TV ngimncane mina ngavele Soweto TV. I represented my school with debates ngimncane, very young. Went to Jozi FM as a guest presenter, very young. So these things were just things that umuntu noma angana gift spiritual abona ukuthi lo ne future bright. And baba I'm like was very proud ahamba tshela abantu next door ukuthi tana muvele TV yabo yena ukhuluma because it's just a proud parent because Soweto TV ngingadlali ngaleso sikhathi leso. So nje kuba yini into efana nalezo ukuthi like umuntu omdala nje uyayibona future yomntana ukuthi leya bright but kanti hayi wonke umuntu obhekile ubheke ngeso eli-pure. So that's when my life started to turn. So ngidlile lokho kudla lokho and then mangidla lokho kudla lokho ngibolekile impahla
umngani wakho.
Ngiyamboleka, yes. So ngikhohliwe ukuthi ugele ngikuboleka impahla zami. And then one day you randomly show up with the item that I thought maybe mina ngikhohliwe because ngimpahla eziningi ngithanda ukuthenga impahla. So ezinye ngiyazikhohlwa and ngangumuntu vele lapho sekaba forgetful. Like ngakhohlwa ukuthi 200 bengibekela inyamalala. Angazi ukuthi inyamalala kanjani. And lapho sengiyathengisa I was selling like clothes. Ngiyabathengisela vele ama friends wami before WhatsApp and stuff. Yibo abantu bebangisupport like so bebanginika cash and ngidabula the amount total into makuyi 150 mina ngithi 300 makuyi 250 ngithi 500 ngaka understand business kahle ngangiyenza profit like kakhulu ngaleso sikhathi and izinto zazi cheap vele so ngangizithengisela ukuthi ngiziphilise because nasekhaya vele umama uyakuthengisa so ibusiness nje into engiyithandayo nami so how ngiyathengisa ke vele kanjalo so ngidlile phela ngithi manje ukudla lokuhlela ungilethela kona so one day you come you give me a chain and chocolate for no reason and a necklace I forgot yes but I think mina yes but unginikeza necklace ne chocolate ngithanda I chocolate yama ini biscuit yes le purple what is the brand I forgot yes dairy milk yes biscuit flavor so bengizithandela yona vele so uyangazi wena siclose mase ungilethela necklace angisumuntu othanda ngifana namanje ngigcoka amacici yami ngithanda nje ama necklace so mara ngigcoka ngijabulile ukuthi you thoughtful I think birthday yami or was it random I don't remember show me I got you this on a letter it was my birthday I love you like you're so cute ngigcoka necklace so kuba khona abale necklace into ukuyigcoka ngikhumbula manje njengoba sengingaka like let's do basengizi analyze ngithi ngiya-backdate ngiyabheka ukuthi okay qale ngahameka phela angisalali sengumuntu nje angilali ubuthongo mangivuka ekseni sengumuntu ovuka nama scratches but angwanaki I'm thinking hayi it's just a scratch ngivuka ngumuntu ngiyahameka manje umuntu nama scratches ngapha isibeletho sibuhlungu so I'm thinking I was introduced to that spirit or that tokoloshi yo engene through that necklace so remember bangidlisile udliso langaphakathi necklace which is utokoloshi that is that isithunzi or something then also isichitho so isichitho ilama people they were lokangivela amanye nje anjani then udliso like I think they're just making this thing ukuthi ibe very effective and quick like you should see izishaye zonke then lo tokoloshi lona manje ulala nami ngapha isichitho ngivela izinto sengiyanuka manje anginuki nakahle nalapha phansi because isibeletho sami ama discharge I change amakhala manje I'm sorry but I'm trying to be blunt as possible yabona into efana nalezo so amaphupha amabi lento lena ilala nami ngapha yonke into yami deteriorate angisena relationship ke manje kuwe sengifila ukuthi ngiyuzwa abafana phela manje shuthi ngizoshintsha abafana kuze kube kunini angeke phela angeke like so ngithi hayi man thingime kancane nje indaba zama relationship because I mean ngicine ngiba umuntu ogcwala yonke le it's not nice that's not me but omunye umuntu angathi ngiziphethe kabi I'm promiscuous which is I'm not I'm trying to build something with someone so but I last all these relationships kuba ne pattern iphela ngendlela eyi-one so I'm thinking if something is a pattern it's alarming but I guess at that time I was not woke spiritually I didn't understand these things ukuthi actually life is spiritual and everything is spiritual so manje ngumuntu okhuluma yonke into so angithi ngikhuluma yonke into nalezi kungamelanga ngizikhulume but Sipho sengikutshela nalama details lawa yo la kungamelanga ngikutshele wona sengiyakutshela so angazi ukuthi lento bekuyi hypnosis lebekidla khuluma yonke into and wena ungitshela indaba zakho secretive yazigodla zonke nix so remember ngiboleke neimpahla yakhumbula besigcine lapho then so yayibuyisa impahla yakho that is in 2021 yeah before 2020 so yayibuyisa into yakho and lapho siyabonana and stuff uniki bese ngizibuza ukuthi wayiletha kanti khona into ethi igcoke yabo ngithi angiyithandi lento because bezithu kune black nayo le bhakandi so nginike bhakani ngithi ngiphe yona so mawuyibuyisa ngikhohliwe ukuthi ngithi mhlambe ngithi ayilethe back bese mangithi ngiyayigcoka nginosisi wami lapha endlini so ngiyigcoke this bodysuit I don't know why would I borrow someone a bodysuit because hygienically it's not even good to borrow someone that thing because i-bodysuit yazi isigqoko kanjani. I-bodysuit is more like an underwear, but uyigqoka like so, and it is. So, but ngoba bengi-nice, like bengishare nawo, manginamaroka ayi-2 uthathela i-1 man, umngani wami. And ngimpahla eziningi ezinye ngiyazikhohlwa because ngithanda impahla. Ngithi futhi anginamntwana ngilo ngiyathenga nje, yabo. Yo, ngiyigcoka usisama athi igcoke. Ngithi hayi nami ngikhali why uthi ngiyigcoke? Ngiyigcoka maqeda ukuyigcoka futhi sipha ngalunwa. Sengiyalunywa manje. Hayibo, kwenzakalani? Ngitshela usisama ngiyalunywa. Why lunywa manje? Ngithi angazi isithubeni. Hayibo, kanjani? Yeah. Sisi wami athi hayi ngicabanga ukuthi siyishise lento obuyigcokile. Ngithi hayibo wena ngicabanga ukushisa izinto why? Athi yeah asishise. Ngithi okay we are forced and like angazi. Ngithi okay mhlawumbe from cruise point email ayishise i-bodysuit ithu shisa lapha ngaphandle aphuthi sipho ngisesofeni mina e-dining room makashisa lapha yena ngaphandle ngihleli mina kancane ngoba kuloko ngiyalunya ngithi yini engayisebenzisa spirit or ubaba bekathanda ukuthenga i-spirit sisigcobiso and stuff yabo how ngiyascream angena usisi wami hayi sengiyahlanya sengumuntu osithatha ama-cushion amasofa ngiwalahlela le sengifuna ukuguqa ama-TV ngifuna ukuthatha wasani ngiyashaya usisi wami mangela hayibona ukwenzakalani athi sengi-wild manje so angibambe because imude kunami angibambe hey wenzani calm down ngimshaye mina ngithi ungijwayela kabi ngiyamthuka manje ungijwayela kabi ngiyenzani ngiyekele ngibiza igama lakhe ngithi ngiyekele angibambe hey hayi manje kube nento ethi ngithi mina uyangishisa ngiscream so somathi no man stop it hayibo avela yocima athela amanzi once kule bodysuit asabe ngikhamatata nginike amanzi what's happening ngithi ngibulalelani kuba ngathi ngiyazona ngikwenye world like angikho la angiphaphamisi siswama athi hey like ngizama ukukama down athi what's happening ngithi mina I don't know so na isiswami bekangasonti kakhulu njengami and even if bekaya nje like I think baba mshole 2019 and like that was 2020 ngama covid nanani so vele bese kathanda kuyesontweni because abantu basesontweni bese basupportile kakhulu ukushona kababa siswami like naye wabona like ukuthi yo wow abazalwane sengifuna ukubajoin so but bekangakabi like spiritually yes so athi ngcono ngiyobiza abantu basesontweni because I understand ukuthi wena angaze ngibone into enje like I'm so scared she's so brave like so I'm very brave younger than me but very brave that girl hamba yobabiza abantu basesontweni ngiyampela bazi they prayed so when they pray this spirit now is manifesting sengoba umuntu owild so athi mabayichaza athi you were roaring like a lion nyalo manje so but for now let's just pray bathandazela ikamera leli ngilala ku camera lethu because besihlale siblome lapho vele nomngane ikamereni thi omunye is a prophet uthi I sense ukuthi there's a lot of things that were planted in this room so this is the room the root of everything is in this room hayi thandazo vele nami ngithi so ngoba ngimncane angiunderstand ngenzakalana ngirelax manje esontweni bengiya but ngiya sometimes bengithi mangiyesontweni mangifika bengisha uyawazi umlilo ushe mara kungalayitwanga ni bengisha like flames so mengibhoreka njalo ukuthi why mangiyesontweni ngisha angini ngiyasha musi kanti now njengoba sengingaka understand ukuthi when two powers meet the lesser power must bow means you know the darker side and the light when they you know obviously the greatest one needs to actually you know izosuppressa yona le so mhlambe these spirits were fighting because napha sibiza uJesus so mina ngiphethele into ezingiphethe obvious angeke mhlambe zimanifeste immediately but everything ngizomlilo nje onga-understand how hayike vele ngiyesontweni so manje ngithi ayangisayi mina kuleli sonto bengisonta kuleli sonto engikhulele kulo so kuno guy pastor actually is a pastor and he's close to me begeza lapha ekhaya athi kimi bekasonti nami la bekisonta khona but bekanokuza but unesonto so athi kimi mina ngoba manje ngikhonzela kude how waze ezongikhulekela like ikhakhuleka athi how about esontweni leli lisona so but it's same bazalwane it's just that mina ngizobe ngingekho but you can go there indeed ngiye Sunday one it's like let me just go to church bangifika Welcome vele abazalwane. They don't know anything about me. They don't know me. I've never met them. Setopsenville. Mangifika kuthandaza ngiyathandaza lapha yathandaza lo baba thandaza umvenda. Thandaza lo baba thandaza. Maqeda ukuthandaza athi before iservice isihamba abazalwane yathandaza. Thi sisi wami ngicela usondele la phambili. Yo ngiyazibuza manje ngiye phambili. Bathandaza. Baqhubeke bathandaza ayezakhala. Ngizithole mina bengiphambili ngizithole sekuphume kwawiki namacici sengisemuva ukuphaphama kwami kuba ngathi sengibuya kumhlaba ngimanyele kwenzakalani but ngiyezwa manje bengilwa ngiyaqoqwa ngiyavimba so usho ukuthi this thing now it's manifesting bayayichaza bathi yeah no weapon formed against you shall prosper so mase yayichaza so now manje ngimncane lezi ngizinto angizi-understand is spiritual but uyasho ukuthi hey sisi qhubeka uthandaze ningasayeki nokuzisontweni ungayeki ukuzisontweni so nami ngithi okay hayi ngizirelaxe vele ngithi hayi ngizoloku ngibhizi lapha ngiloku bangiwisa kaningi ngifila embarrassed yabona so what this thing was roaring the same way it was when I was at home with my sister so mina ngingasayisontweni ngihlale futhi hayi kube wese futhi futhi manje hayi vele manje zikhale kakhulu ke manje ngihambe ngiyofaka ama-CV ngithi noma ngazama like ama-sunshine nosebenza ukuthi at least ngizame something lapho vele anginanomntwana ngithi hayibona sitholele 3K nyana kufani sengithole what yabona yakakuhlangana ngifike lapho ngithi ngicela umsebenzi bathi bayacasha manje khona intombazane engiyazi esitshelile athi kuyacashwa hamba usambe i-CV yakho manje mina mangifika lapha i-manager umuntu esifazane ngimthole ngisabona singilethi i-CV athi i-CV yokwenzani ngithi bathe bayacasha athi hayi sezivalile hawu ngiphume so khona into ethi kimi hayi ungaqala uhambe ima u-observe kungena abanye abantu bawathatha ama-CV wabo so mina ngibamele ke emnyango babuze sorry guys did you like beno-apply yabona into enjalo but ngithi manje bathini ama-interview or kuvaliwe because kimi bathe kuvaliwe bathi no akuvalwanga ngithi what bathi yeah so nginike bani describe siso sona ngithi lo wenza iphondo lama-curls yes we what are you saying sivele ungidinekile bathi sisi no so manje sengumuntu mangihamba endaweni angisabonakali sengumuntu nje odinekelwayo to the point ukuthi ngidinekela naye even ubhuti wami my brother like I think if he's gonna watch this I think we had a conversation manje I called him like last month because I was just going through the most ngimtshela ngithi bhuti wami ngiyaxolisa kakhulu ngiyaxolisa for everything that I know I disappointed you as my big brother. You've invested in me. You had so much hope, like, and you know, you believed in me. By this great thing, because I remember him affirming me. Wena, you're the next big, you're the next bonang wena. You, so mamela go radio. You're gonna do these big things and stuff. So. Me having to drop out of school and I say quite disappointed. I side story some and I'm being away. So I'm phone man last month chela boutique lembeling in life. Axin bilo. Now ungamangala mangitshela impilo siphila la ekhaya yabona yena ushadi nonkosikazi wakhe bahlala khona he did well for himself study it is okay. So ungamangala ukuthi like sizeswele ne-electricity. I think it's mama kakutshela because she doesn't want to stress you. My mom is like that. She's taught us to be very strong. Like no one owes you anything in this life. Even your family doesn't owe you anything. Yeah. And it's okay. I'm sorry. It was just It was Christmas Day.
Can you talk to that?
No.
I will roll it a kiza. Yeah, I'm a tissue.
I'll talk slow.
I will. Thanks. Thanks, Kiza.
I remember the day. It was like Christmas Day. The atmosphere. It's Christmas, like for everyone. kunuka ama-braai, kunuka everything. And we were like, things were like not okay between us and my brother, and I think it's spiritual, and it was like a memory Leo, because like he was not interested in us. Like interest, and in blame, it's not him, it was those spirits, because now these spirits were taking over nasendlini. Like impilo sikhaya, like impilo besiphila, putting from nekroza besingayazi feeling like yokuthenga ikroza nakuthiwa kuyadliwa month end so mele sigazade 200 umama 200 usisi wami 200 mina and asisebenzi kusomele ngiphande if ukuthi mina ngicela imali kuGuy ungisendele imali ukuthi at least sibe nokudla. The Christmas angeke ngikhohle, we're sitting in bed, my mom and I think we did, my child was not yet born, and I remember calling this guy, texting him, because I was dating him, telling him things are really bad because we couldn't go to Christmas, family, because we didn't have transport, and we go good because my mom usually host Christmas every year, but manje bekukude and we didn't have a car, so usually Putam used to offer really transport and stuff, but that year Putam was nope, I'm out. So asina kudla, asina clothes, asina needs. I'm texting this person, I'm like, oh bruh, things are bad. Can you please rescue me? I know it's been a while since but I don't have anyone. Like at least maybe no one send 500. What's only nama pieces. I send ndaba nokuthi Christmas le, cause angikho ngani ukuthi ngifuna impahla ze Christmas. But I'm like considering my little sister lo ngithe uze after lo mncane na 14 manje. Ukayathi no, I'm in Dubai. Like even flaunting and showing me pictures. Like, okay, I get it, but can't you like ask one of your friends, or can't you wire me? Ati, you text me when you have problems, leave me alone. Like, what? Yeah, I was so heartbroken. Like, Christmas, all you could say is just tell me you're in Dubai and flaunt. It's okay, it's fine. No one owes you anything. And my mom is like, no, you shouldn't have asked anyone. It's fine. Says, I don't know what happened. I was in that day. But nje yonke umuntu bekasemoyeni weChristmas kubrayi wabunuka inyama ebrayi azange siye nakubo makhelwane ukuthi sihambe siyocela ngoba nje sinjalo ekhaya you can think we have everything figured out, but if we can open inboy impilo esiphilayo, like ngabantwana baba shocked because my mommy has been our strength, that just with a little, sometimes if kungathengwanga because mommy yathengisa, like I did mention, if kungathengwanga kudliwa bruh. If uGuy about saying because she sells like cigarettes and snacks, so mean yakuthi at least kube neclient i-customer lizothenga kumele babheme at least 20 kumele iphele ukuthi sokhona ukuthenga ivorce emakuleni sipheke kuhlale something gas imophela kuba nje into efana naleyo. That was like 2021 lapho 2022, but I was pregnant, or I felt pregnant. Okay, before that now izinto ziyabheda kuwe ngithi ayi mina manje sekumele ngenze something, sengithi kumama ngathi mntana miyeke uvela uhlale kuphela why komunye umuntu like engazi umthandazile wase-White City uyohlola ubheke ukuthi kwenzakalani nempilo yakho yabo. Ngithi ayi mama ngishoni mina neo ngiyathandaza, yes, but lezi zinto zikhona, what if khonto yenzakalayo like nempilo yakho, like and I remember ukuthi they did pray for me at church. Manifest, but angicedelelanga lama process ukuthi phela lento le into eyayezi eningaphakathi ngapha uyabona, so into evele yakhulekela ngaleso sikhathi ayizange so ngithi that day mama wavuswa ngamtshela ukuthi ayi bra ngikhathele lempilo mina, let's go. Athi serious wena ne ufunga say mama uNkulunkulu ngizamile kumthandaza engawuthandazanga ngimcelile uNkulunkulu, but ungishiye uNkulunkulu fika lapha kubuthi vele lapho bese ngihlangana nabantu aba-random like emall isangoma mina kusesangoma umuntu nje ubhuti ungazi ukuthi usebenza some bed shop, then athi kimi hey Ngithi imihle lemibhede ngifuna umbhede. That's oh really, which one do you like? Ngithi that one. It's okay, before sifike emibhedeni like cela ulungisa impilo yakho. Like hey, how did you get there? Please elaborate, what are you saying? Athi ngibona a dark cloud that is engulfing you. So I see a lot of jealousy and I see a lot of arrows sent against you. Go do something. I don't know what you believe in, but go do something. So angibuza athi kimi awuhlushwa ikhanda. Ngithi athi awuhlushwa isibeletho. Ngithi hayibo, who are you? Yabona mangimzama ukumbuza ngithi bhuti, who are you? Explain further. Mhlambe yabo abahambi la bhuti athi baba yisisi. So like angangiphi le opportunity ukuthi ngizama ukumbuza more questions. Nini randomly I would meet someone angitshela ukuthi hayi girl hamba ukugeza unesinyama. So mina ngoba ngumzalwane I'm like ay abantu laba bafuna nje ukuyenza imali ngathi yabona yabo. Kanti not knowing God is using these people because God can use any vessel that you're not used to, not familiar with, just for you ukuthi uzothola usizo. Yabona. So vele angiyisa umama laphaya ke. Mafika. Bayenza into abathi like usebenza ngamanzi umuntu okhona. Hey ngibona ukuthi yo at least wamanzi uyathandaza. Avela athandaza angitshela ukuthi nesilwane wena namathunzi like izithunzi ezikulandelayo nesichitho bakubophile like yo engile ngikhali. Ngizibuza ukuthi yo athi kimi nawe ukhuluma kakhulu man. Yo stop sharing too much information. Stop posting. Stop trusting. So, yabo, athi thandaza. Ngifuna ukutshela lento ukuthi thandaza. Yabona njengoba uthandaza, chubeka nje wena uthandaza. Kodwa ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi yekela ukuthemba noma ubani. So kube nento ethi kimi ngifuna ukumbuza ukuthi and then what are you talking about? Oh manje lapha mangifika ngidepressed because nabanye abantu baneyinkinga ezimo. Like abanye izisu zingaka ngathi ba pregnant ngapha ngasikhatha ba pregnant abantu inyawo zingaka abanye bavuvuka ubuso abanye amademon bayalo banezilwane ngathi umuntu ubona imphukane wenzani. So nje nami already ku environment yo engidepressayo. So vele ke na anginikeze lo bhuti lo imbiza leyo vele bengasayisontweni ngiphuza imbiza yegazi ahimbi. Angitshela umama ukuthi ayimile lezo sibuye simgeze inkukhu sibuye sizomgcaba hayi ngibona ukuthi le inkulu kunami ukugcatshwa ayi mina vele ayangizazi lezi zinto abazali bami bangikhulisanga lezi zinto. So why manje mina iqale ngama mama athi nami lo muntu wangisiza because bengihlushwa isibeletho. Mama wayishusha isibeletho nje. Hayi mama mayihlalela lesibhedlela like every year from I think besase primary ne junior secondary was 16 every year mama mbikala lesibhedlela every year. Nini babangasi kidney failure bazothi wumbu nini bangasi wumbi asthma like nje bekuni TB what bebamdiagnose ngayo yonke. I remember nje bese traumatized mangifika lapha ngithi yo I remember making this one prayer ngithi esontweni bekuyi night prayer sizo cross over ngithi baba if there's one thing that I want to see work if you do exist can you please save my mom. I don't want to go to a hospital anymore. And I remember that year after lapho mama masahang ngisambona esibhedlela njoba sekachaza ukuthi wathola usizo ke and then mina ngamtshela mama ukuthi angeke ngisakhona ukubuyela mina lapha ya mama mathi ayibona neyonto ezozithatha serious what kokwami nayizama ukuthi hey iya phela bakufakele lo kokwami makathi lo usho ukuloshi ngeke bafana bazobaleka bayabaleka ngeke khohlwa ngeke uyithole le nto nomntana ngeke uzomthola never. And remember like lapho I was dating here and there and then obviously I did had like obviously sexual intercourse and I never felt pregnant never. I did not. And then until I was 26 ngaphuzile leyo mbiza yegazi remember. So mangicede ukuphuza leyo mbiza yegazi yo busweni benginjani saphuma ngithi manje ngiyahlanza ngesikhathini mhlambe for 2 weeks phuze nje just that bottle imbi but sengiphuma ilonda manje siziyaphumela ngaphandle ngiyaluya ngipinki yo uningi nje mase ngithi hayi vele ngihlangane nobaba wengane yami like besifunda sonke so besisichat sihlangane vele covid angithi covid bathi siya quarantine senzani hayi ke mina vele ngihambe nje ngipsidate mina naye vele ngiloko ngiyabuya and stuff then ngithi awusengiyathandeka hey the relationship be nice like you say, sengazuthi iyathembisa, yabona. I'm seen now. He affirms me, he's attracted to me, he's just gravitating towards me. I'm like, oh, should lezi zinto zeyimbiza lezi. Yiyo mhlambe ngihlilile. Okay. How? Guy pregnant in meet, hey? 2020. Yeah, 2020 meet, 2021 conceive. And remember, ngibathi lento le mayelana now, I will be pregnant. And you will be pregnant because if ngiphathwa iwomb, it tampers with your reproductive years. So namaqanda la instead when uzalela yon. So these babies that you have are the small tokoloshi. So you have a lineage of. So imagine I was 14 when this thing was introduced to me. So lapho senga 26, shuthi ngabantwana babotokoloshi abayingaki. Amaqanda. Because nini nginokuphupha like ngiba nama sexual encounters with men. So it will appear as if like this crush ingnayo. So like appear njengoba bomngane yami. Then kuba ngazuthi it's just a cute dream. Nini siyashada. Ngibe married like ngifake irogo. Kanti it's a covenant in the spirit. I'm getting married to this entity. So the more, obviously, I see these dreams and I'm married into it. Obviously, my relationships physically, they will never work. And everything that has my name on it, my aura, angeke vele be right. So, vele ngikhulelwe ke ngithola ingane. Ube ngathi kuyathembisa nje ku-baby daddy, uthanda ingane yakhe. Hawu baby daddy, sekabuza umama, mama, ngiyazi ngimoshile ndodakazi. Uzongikhapha malini? Ngifuna ukungazi ukuthi ngifuna ukulungisa yabo. Mhlambe ngilobole but ngifuna uqala ngihlawula yabo ngigeze nje just ukuthi yabo axoxe vele kube ngathi kuyathembisa nami ngijabule ukuthi at least ngoba bengane yami lapho sengondile vele umntana nje ungishitshile ngine stress angikho right, I'm not in a good space. Qaleli phansi ke angijikela ubaby daddy
Qeda ukuhlawula.
azange ngahlawula kwakhulunywa nje abuza nje azange saqhubeka. And bewumbona ukuthi like really like he want to ayamthanda umntana wakhe futhi ngendlela emangalisayo. I think if there's one thing I'm grateful for ukuthi in as much as I had a child and I was not working, but at least God was so good to me to the point ukuthi ubaba wengane yami was there, even though he didn't want anything to do with me, but his child like bekamthanda there for umntana wakhe. Because I remember like naye besekaqala ngenzela into snacks ke ugayi. Ngiyabona ukuthi nakakubheka ngathi ubona ama-feces. Yeah, I felt like I am less beautiful. Like to the point ukuthi mesengicela ukuthola umntana ibody yami beseyishintshile. Yeah, umuntu wesifazane uyashintsha plus umntana bekancela ngincela ngaze ngawonda futhi ngikhuluphele kangcono manje. Bengonde to the point ukuthi bengisola. And abantu esiqadini nangidlula bathi ngiyagula. They called me all these sort of names. People were just, you know how people are, and it broke my heart. People only think if wehlile emzimbeni, it's just that lesasifo lesiya esithanda ukuthi sibe associated with weight loss. And it's fine, it's okay. They don't know what I'm going through. I'm depressed now. Yaqalela phansi ke futhi depression became worse. Baba umntana wami ke sekangijikela akasafuna ukuspend isikhathi nami. Nguza, you don't want to spend time with me. When you try to converse me, let's fix our relationship. So kuba ngathi manje ekumele ngiforce, but I'm a woman. I need to reciprocate. I cannot pursue you. You are a man. I need to submit to the energy you're giving me. But manje ngiyabona ukuthi manje yini so busy ncenga. Ngavele ngathi asivele sihlukane bhuti. Because makangibheka lo yabhuti loyana yabona I've never felt like I'm not seen. Like bengathi ubona amakaka. I'm sorry to use that. But bengathi uyanuke noma ngithi ngicela like ngicela untie ibra yami. I'm trying to yabona simncelisa umntana umbona ukuthi akangibheki uthi. And I forgive him like I do. God knows. I think I was speaking to him because I know it's fine. It's not your fault. It's okay. It's fine. And I was a wash akazi. He still says like I don't know. I wanted us to work out, but I don't know. I said, no, it's okay. It's fine. And then I had my baby. Yeah, my baby. She's the most valuable thing in my life. I think that she's the more she's the tangible thing that I've ever possessed since Mpila. So the tangible thing is the house, maybe the graduation gown, omunye ngathi umsebenzi awusebenzayo, omunye ngathi umshado. Mina empilweni yami njengoba ngina-31 ayikho into engayibamba ngithi ngi-proud ngayo, but at least umntanami, she's the reason like I wake up each and every day, because before she came I wanted to kill myself. But I look at her and I'm like, yo, no dude, you cannot. She deserves to have a mother. She deserves. She's turning 5 this year. She's such a beautiful girl. She gives me like so much courage to face life. And I think there was a time when I wanted to throw myself by the river, because things were worse, like very bad. And I look at her, I'm like, so nasethi kamereni, yo, bengihlala ngizivalela ngisagezi futhi manje. Mama nsisi wami worried, mama uya-stress manje, mama akasabi sharp. Ayehle emzimbeni ngabo 4 AM akasalala, umama uhlala khala because affectwa yimi. Ngithi ngiyozilahlela emanzini mina, ngiphilelani. Ngicela uNkulunkulu ngithi yabona le mpilo ngiphe yona angisayifuni, ngicela uyithathe. What's the point ukuthi ngiphile mara ngina purpose, angikho productive, angina progress since ngihleli la endaweni eyi-1. Everyone around me, their story is changing. They're getting jobs, getting engaged, having gowns, businesses, flourishing, traveling the world. Mina ngila kanti ngenzeni, like ubani lo ngimonile ngihambe ngixolisa, like, because this is not the life that I wanted for myself. Mase ngizivalela bese bangigada because bekunamapilisi amaningi njalo bengifuna ukuzibulala. Ngithi ngiyawaphuza mara nje kuba nalento ekukhuzayo ukuthi no mntanami angikhona ukumshiya. And then the recent one that breaks my heart above everything else that I went through last year, like early last year, it was April. I got a job. Like, it's not really, but I was excited because doors have been closed for so long. I have been really something and stuff, but on and off. So a radio station. I was so excited. I even posted with you. At least this is a audition. They took me like since a long audition.
Radio station. Which one?
It was in Sauma radio station. It's in Bram.
Okay.
So mabangithatha, like, even if I did not get paid, like, I didn't care because it was my passion. I was like, this is like training, you know, and stuff. But people didn't know. People thought it was a job because I did not disclose. I just posted myself a studio, and I was excited. At least ngiyavukisa into something. My mom is happy. And then ngiyakhona sengiyaqala ngiyagula manje. So uyabona ngiyaqala ufika endaweni bakuphi ithuba so uyakhula, and now sebakunika nama-show ukuthi do current affairs now, because there's this lady who had this show that I really enjoyed, and she was now going to Botswana. So I said, wakhetha mina, like, amongst all the presenters, I was like, can you please drive my show for me? I was so excited because I'm passionate about current affairs, and now I'm starting to research. I'm like, the right people will be watching. We're speaking about your your finances and stuff, everything, the economy, everything that is current. Now I'm excited. Kanti kuzoba bad, ngizogula. So njalo sekumele ngireporte ukuthi angizi bafethu, angikhona ukuza ngiyagula. Excuse bengingasi imali because benginebhizinisi engiranayo, so imali bengikhona ukuzigibelisa. So ngiyagula, mangigula ngaba lame like for 3 days. I couldn't walk. Sengivuka nginama-scratches. Manje angisavuki nama-scratches kodwa ngiyahanywa manje ebusuku.
Leya channel sayigcoka.
Bengasekho kuyinto angazi nokuthi yaphelela lapha. I think ngayilahla or something because bengi-irritate. Sengiyahanywa manje. Hayi ngiyazibuza kwenzakalani. Ngizama ukuthandaza, ngithandaza. Ayi ngesontweni bese ngingasayi kuleli bengikhulele kulo, but same domination, but ngiyangapha kuleli linye. Anjalo manje nabo mabathandaza sengathi every Sunday is about me. Sekumanje ngiyamanifesta lamadimoni. Ayi mina ngikhathele. Everything zoba i-show emasontweni. Like really everything kuba ngathi manje ngilabantu abathanda i-attention. hayi ngise ngiyabhoreka ke manje hayi ngiye esontweni but ngizwe manje ngithi emoyeni wami khona lento evukayo so ngifile ngikhuluma nopastor wakhona ngimtshela ukuthi hey mfundisi bed ngicela imikhuleko angikhona ukulala ebusuku angikhoni ngiyahamba manje ngiyagula and ngiyahanywa ngenzwani so bathanda so ebusuku masilele it was me my mom and my baby so bengilala eroomini liwa nomama wami besilala mama bengilala nomama wami ekamereni lakhe ngingasalala ekamereni lami nomntana wami maphakathini imlo so siswami kwenye room nabantwana bakhe so ebusuku masilele umntana uyascreama hayibo kwenzakalani silide Tshego, what's wrong? That's my child's name. And then Ikhoho. Hayibo, Ikhoho ikuphi? Mama mazama ukulayita yabo. Mina ngithi ngizama ukumthulisa njengomntana wami, ngithi mhlawumbe uphupha ubheke phezulu uyaphupha. Angangifuni umntana angishaye. Ikhoho mama mathi Ikhoho ikuphi? Amthathe kumama avume kumama. Ngithi okay mthathe mama lona. Mina mangithi ngiyasondela. Ikhoho. Hayibo, usisi wami athi hayi mletheni ngapha ekamereni sibone. Amize khona so manje inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu because angisakwazi ukulala angekho eduze kwami she's my comfort like I cuddle her when I'm not feeling okay like when I touch her skin just feel okay so I'm like hayibo ngithi ngiyamthatha umntana nana waza iseke ihambile angayifuni akhombe mina manje angasangifuni umntana ke intala stele ke eli akasangifuni umntana yeah I think that's the most yeah yabo leyo ke iyengibreake kakhulu inhliziyo so umntana sekaba wild ke manje sekayenza izinto eziweird umntana ulimala njalo intombazane manje umntana nini usanokuchama nje empedeni achame amachame people like lo muntu senala 3 years mdala what's happening sengiyamshaya nami sengiyakwata ngithi Nkosi yami kanti yini say lento manje silemimoya seyisebenza ngomntana ukuthi izofuna mina ukuthi ngibe angazi sekuba umntana wild nini umntana nini ushile shiswa amanzi baba yakhe sekabona ngathi manje ngine legend mina inhlanhla leyo amanzi azangamshayi like because bekazosha like from nangaphakathi like la wild umntana sila sihleli bekangajump izinto like ayenza izinto ezi weird tana ngiyazama ukuthi hayibo kanjani umshaye abe wesa kushaye angamind uthathe i-object aphe ngayo hayi ngithi nayi ngisazi manje so mama mami ngithi ayi mama le haya maloyi mama mathaye wena yonke into zamaloyi what ayithi theqodelela lezi zinto lezi ngithi mama when you can't kick a man when she's down mama unjalo uyathanda ukuchikana vele but in a loving way so I'm very sensitive I thought maybe she was like maybe let's go maybe let's yabo ngithi mhlambe sengikhuluma nezinto ngithi maybe mhlambe umntana because akusumntana la South Africa like maybe udinga into yabona into ezinjalo yabo ezakubo nana so mama hayi wena yabo angichiki ngithi mina angithi phela umntana seka weird manje into engakazi siyibone like abantwana ba like bonke akekho umntana unje hayi ke masiceda lapho kena ngihambe ngiye cousin yami ngihlala le South ngimcela ngithi ngicela ukulona ke like ubed sengikhathele nami kumkhalela umntana ngithi ayiwoza kunandaba mntazi busy vela she's a doctor like she's always like not around in the house even if she is like I have my space I can do anything like in a place young welcome I felt okay at least na chief la sifuna ukucheck ukuthi i-environment or him hambe ku cousin akube ngathi izinto ziba ngcono ke mangu cousin ngilali ngize ngifeel ukuthi at least different atmosphere azithandazela ngama devotions kuba right kuba normalize sengikhumbule ekhaya phela manje sisengijwayele ngale hayi sengifuna ukubuyela ekhaya angibuyele ekhaya zikhale more manje sengiyatswafa ukuthi cousin phela sekushubile ngifuna ukubuya siswami ngithola umsebenzi unabantwana abayisifu ababheke yena ngihola imali encane uthi kimi mntasi hayi asambi simove seroomini ngithi okay angimind ukuthi simove seroomini but ngizoyibhadala ngani rent intana ngithi ngoba yabona ukuthi le mali ehola incane and nami ngisebenza ngina income business lapho seyibhede ke manje ayisamove sizoyenza njani athi sobona mntana sekhaya sohlanganisa i1 and 2 kuzobonakala phambili but move let's see we moved I think we stayed there for 2 months things were worse things were worse yabona manje to the point ukuthi manje affect mina ngi-once is affect nosisi wami athi sisi wami yabona wena umntana ngithi and ngilahle but I sengi right ngawo umntana ngithi like ngicela lento zakho ayi sezi affecta nami phela mina ngumuntu nami onenhlanhla nje imali. Randomly people would just give her money and stuff. So I'm thinking, okay. Manje sekuvaleke kwasani. So sibuyele back ekhaya ke cabanga 2 months sesibaki uthenga umbhedo usisi wami sahlanganisa ama 2 plate nako lawa magayedlela ukuthi at least sigeze ibhavi nahambe emsebenzini mina ngihlela yikho into engiyenza ngiya apply and then mind you people are thinking I'm lazy like apply busy uhleli mamkhulu wami nayangibuza nikusaqala hlangana ngiba depressed more lapho senginomntwana ke manje lapho baba mangase ngidala imali akushubile futhi nami angikhona ukuzafulela something like because makasendile at least nami ngiyakhona ukuthi hayi ngizozithengela itoilet yabona ngipeshela umntwana mangasendanga ku bed nami ngize ngithi ngifeel useless kusho ukuthi lo mfana ngitshela ukuthi hayi nawe wangasebenzi uzame because umfakela ipressure and stuff but ngimtshela ngithi nami ngiyafisa ukukusiza mfethu ngiyazama but hey ku bad so then ngena ngibuye la ekhaya mangibuya back to hayi ku bed ke manje ku west angisayi sontweni sengingalile manje zayi mama hey phenye ngayizama mama ngathani ngithona uhambile waqala ngaceda wangayizama omunye umuntu futhi ngahamba vele bangisa komunye umuntu leyo mara I think it was not last year 2 years ago if I'm or 3 na komunye mama yena ngathi sangomurini ayi mangifika lapha la mama ngikhuluma into engayizwa I'm sorry to say that but she's speaking about things that I do not even know mina ekhaya abayenza imisebenzi ngikhule nje ngingayenzi manje umtshela ukuthi hey mele uthenge into eziso wenza umsebenzi ngoba inhlanhla yakho nayo ngiyayibona mara ivalekile mele uyivule what selangitshela so yithi mina la ngibuya khona mangitshela ukuthi nginanento so ngifuna uku-understand ukuthi azi connect samathi ayikho lento la unayo leyo nto wena so manje which one do I believe now so I'm like I'm not going to go back to that woman again fast forward I meet someone meet someone it was like this November yes I think I was wearing a red dress and I went with my mom to a relative and he looks at me like he's lapho ngibhekile ngithi yo nalo bhuti lona ngibheka kanje uyangifanisa yo angisakwazi nokudla ithambo lami kamnandi ithambo lenyama ungibhekile like oh what's happening the guy is like gravitating towards me my mom was ngumkhwenyana mngani hayibo mkhwenyana yo I'm not like anginga-strength relationship the guy like is interested in me and then after velaze kimi athi I like you like I really want us to try something out and stuff I was exchange amanamba kuba umuntu vele mangicela ukumuphi number yami mina ngithi ayishap ngiyakithi athi ngimele like sohamba sonke hayi ngihambe ngiyi-stranger ngihambe vele angilandele vele aze kithi makeza kithi kanjalo ayibo ngibona vele bhutini ngayi kanti yo kuba uyazi ukuthi nginenkingakanani angifuni nje indaba zama-relation yo lo bhuti vele afaka amazipho wes like abe consistent like angithanda yo ngijabule uyangithanda plus u-right ubhuti nje ukhulile uyayisebenzela yabona bhuti wama iwallet bahamba nana at least angisebenzi but at least khona lo muntu engikwazi ukuthi ngikhofe out kuye yabo mangekho right he listens to me like nana sikhathi bengisebenza e-radio ngihangilanda emsebenzini mangigula takes care of me I'm like what should into zami sekungcono if men can gravitate towards me and ahlale kanti uzoqalela phansi futhi hawu apakho ubhuti lapha kithi nakapakho ubhuti wangichika wangirasela out of nowhere like we were just chatting drinking our smoothies sihleka nokuhleka sishayana nanizandla ubhuti wavele wascream nje out of nowhere hi man out of nowhere and then what's happening no man hlika baby man hlika uyang-irritate okay baby hlika mara ngiyak-irritate okay sharp so nami I didn't wanna cause ngeke sibe la soyi-2 ngizama ukuthi ngihambe ke ngithi ithi ngihambe ithi ngifike endlini ngibatshela ngithi inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu bonga nazange ngishike kabuhlungu kanti but umenzeni i-relationship injalo ngithi wena wazi ngoba ama-relationship wakho awalastanga so yi-relationship vele wena nomuntu wakho nizolwa akusi-honeymoon phase kuphela ngithi ayi mara kunendlela ukuthi noma nixabana mhlawumbe indlela nikhulume I don't like people that talk to people khuluma nami ngendlela kahle don't yabo bhuti lapho ke angiselela ama-message angitshela ukuthi hlukana nami phuma empilweni yami uyangidina hayi ke nami vele but ngihethe ke ngithi ayisho ukuthi ngiqalela phansi.
When was this?
This was like last year. Yes. Last year is 2024, late 2024, then towards, yeah. So, ke hayi vele ngiphume kuye ngitsho ukuthi yabo indaba zama-relationship manje angisazi ngeni. So, fast forward to where we are now. And then I'm like, let me take my spiritual life serious. I go back to church. Sengiyahamba yabuyela, ngiyafasta manje. Pray, fast. Like I'm creating content on TikTok, like just to encourage people every day. I currently try to share my story, but bese ngisaba ke manje. Sengiba nama-attack ukuthi angisekho right, like ngiyabona encourage abantu. I tell them push, but when you can't push behind closed doors. So you're contradicting yourself. You're preaching what you cannot, live by. And I believe that you can't pour from an empty cup. You need to fill yours first. And then to make impact now with color before impact abanye abantu. So ngithi ay indaba ye TikTok ayisebenzi. So abasangibona abantu ngizame nokwenza ama auditions and take like these other brands, stations, which can't they see me? Or I'm not good, foster. What is it can I engayizama like ukuthi sibone ukuthi man angikhona impilo impilo nje angidalelwanga kuba spectator man. I refuse. Even when I was in a room filled with people that were great, I would see them like when a woman that inspires me, I would literally close my eyes and look at them and like, this is me actually. Push. I can't give up now. I cannot. As long as I'm still alive, like I need to fight. So fast forward to 2026. See fast 40 days January, 21 days actually. See fast this on 20. See fast intentionally manje. Lapho sengithi yabona Christianity into mawuyenza isiyenze. It's either now choose your path. It's either if uzohamba enyanga or iyakhona. If kukuthi uyathandaza, choose your struggle. I'm like yazi indlela engiyaziyo yakaJesu Kristu. Ngithathe yona. See fast isontweni kube nama-Zoom. Ngiyathandaza every day kunama-prayer points ufundisa uyawashare. Like some of the prayer points resonate with me. Fundisa athi be intentional. Akhulume ngazo ukuthi ukhuluma uyasazi story sami. Akasazi. He just knows me because I said sengiyaseva like isontweni like sengumuntu like mangifike isontweni ngifike as umuntu othi hayi ngiyaseva ngifuna ukucleana nje esontweni ngazithola sengiphambili like kwi-mic because I've always served. Remember I told you with esontweni I was a worshiper. Yes, sengimanje sekumuntu wenza ama-intercession like yabona ngiyathandaza before the service iqala sengibe lapha phambili ngu-worship team. So nase-groupini sengiyaparticipate masiloku sibhizi kuma-prayer. Every day kunama-prayer point. Kushube-ke lapho. Yabo January wonke ngizame ukufasta ngiluze i-weight. Actually, this is not my weight. Mina ngikho ngaka ekhaya angikho mkhulu ngomzimba, but akuyona umzimba wami lo. So naye lento bengiqeda weight to the point ukuthi if weight yami deteriorate, it was not consistent. Bengabe size 26 namhlanje thatha ngibe u30, ngibe u34 ngibuyele emuva. So bengiyehla emzimbeni because lento bengidla from inside. So vele umzimba wami ngehlile manje because of fasting and bengizama ukupick up ukuthi ngibuyele kuleya mzimba wami lo vele ngiwaziyo lo yabona. So but ke ngithi it's fine, it's for a good cause. May I lose for now to gain forever, like spiritually as long as fit, physically we'll fix that out. But ne-confidence yami isiyehle ukuthi mangigcoke ezinye impahla azihlali the way. So ngiqhubeke ke sesiyasonta manje go to church. Or siyathandaza ngithi ngiyaseva. Then January phela. February le month esibuya kuyo angifuni ukuyibona but that was the worst month ke futhi. Izinto manje esithandazile siprayile siyaclaim manje I'm taking everything forcefully. Ngitshela lokho ngathi yabona this year is a do or die. If I die, let me die knowing ukuthi I fought. Instead of giving up and just letting the devil to waste another year. I'm not growing backwards. Na 31, qhubeka 35 nini ngizobe sengingasekho employable. And angiloko ngiphila nami ngisabawela abanye abantu ngizoba nomona shuthi ngizoloya manje. Ngiqhubeke ke bhuti ngithandaze ngiyesontweni. February last month was worst. Leya month bekunyaka on its own. Like so I'm thinking more fast izinto zibe worse. So now mina ngumuntu okhulekayo kakhulu nango-12 ngiyakhuleka umama next door azathi ntombazane awusathandazi ni mangasathandazi ngizwa ngayo athi phela ngiyakuzwa manje ukuthi awusekho strong and ngicela uqhubeke uthandaze because lezi zinto lezi uzicosha mawuthandaza awuzicoshi la kuphela uzicosha nala ejardini nami so mangasathandazi ngiyawara and vele lapho ngiyibwe sengiyavuka ke ngabo 12 ngiyathandaza sengivusa wonke umuntu endlini abo sebaya-understand say mamfundisi nangu uqalile ngiyathandaza manje ngiyathandaza ya strong yo hayi kube worse kube ngathi izinto yenziba worse guess what kanti ngisithokoloshi manje ibhizinisi yami le engiyiranayo seyiwe seyithulile manje ama-client bomb sengiyabakolota manje imali financially ngi-frustrated relationship wise worse sitshela ukuthi yabona sengi-grind vele nje ngama-relationship vele sengicela ukuzibhekela uNkulunkulu and just focus on him and stuff bebuyidingela mina uNkulunkulu hayi ke ngifind out ukuthi mangiloku ngithandaza excuse me sekuvela lezi zinto ziyaphuma ke manje I think ngishare ne-video mani yami kuma-stories ku-social seziyaphuma ziba worse manje angisa-understand yo sengiyagula manje sengumuntu ohlanzayo ziyaphuma lezi zinto ngilo ngiphuza amanzi ngiyawakhulekela ngiyahlanza manje senginozi but my dreams now when I'm dreaming of myself in a toilet there's feces around there ama-feces angakanani ngapha nami ngiyakhipha lo ngiyakhipha ephupheni ngiyi-1 mind you ngiyakhipha lingakanani i-toilet lakhona ama-feces ukungcola ngikhiphela phaya ngathi yes sis nini ngiyaziphupha ngiyachanyela ngibe nomfundisi wami nje umama ongikhulisile enkosini like la bengikhonza khona ekucaleni ngibe naye siyachanyela ngiyachanyela I'm like yo what shuthi lento le kahle it's cleansing because ngumuntu ophuphayo kakhulu most of things ngiyazibona emaphupheni ukuthi nganga-understand ekucaleni ukuthi what do they mean God is speaking with me through the dreams like and stuff so manje mase ngithandaza ngivala amehlo so ukuthi sengiyathandaza in the realms of the spirit like seriously fighting in the spirit number 12 a.m. 3 a.m. ngibona iface ngibone like hayiwe ngevezela ama-faces wabantu manje aba-different ngithuye hayibo ngithandaza futhi so sengibona ama-witches manje different witches like the place where I live it's dominated by witches and i-territory yalaphayana mawumuntu okhulekayo kuwumuntu obelieve emoyeni angazi nguphi uzowuza nje kuyasindela ngithi kunanomfula there's a lot of shrines there's a lot of altars that are raised and obviously people appease that creature and whatnot so manje sengiyakhuleka ke ngiyayibona lento ngiyayibona ke vele yo ngiyababona ngithi manje wayengivelelwa into eziso so every time when I pray and then I see these like okay shuthi mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu uyangibona ukuthi angidili ne-witch eyi-1 or ungibonisa ukuthi there are other people who are actually busy they may not be busy with me but look beyond the watch and actually mangiceda ukubona like le nto leyo ekuseni kuzoba nje ne-revelation ukuthi I can't disclose because I don't want but nje kuba nento elinka towards whatever that I saw so sengiphuphile manje ngiziphuphile ngithi ngishilo ukuthi kuyaphuma ama-feces lapha kungcolile kunjani nalento yaphuma guess what ngithandaza angithi nosami sesontweni masifike esontweni then ke omunye usisi my sister in faith uthi kimi uyathandaza then maqeda ukuthandaza uthi there's angiyikule sonto engiyakulo usually so khona nje into ethi emoyeni wami awungane wami lo athi asahambe siye esontweni leli ngisodwa kulo manje so yithi ngiye angifika lo usisi lo la engimshow sister in faith uyathandaza vele uyalida lapha phambili ufunda iscripture thandaza nje kufike into ethi athandazele i-witchcraft she prayed nje I never spoke to her I never told her anything she prayed she prayed yamanifesta ke lento le manje sekayalo yakhipha even the things they took the pictures the words so kuuthi vele mangithandaza sometimes bengilokubona isithombe sami like so nokudescribe usisi wami isithombe sami angisazi sikuphi silahlekile nje ngigcoke iroke elipink yangincane ngikhathile ngisho ngidaye background ekhanda neso isithombe sami sifaswe ngeintambo lokhu sithi Siyasinga. So mangithandaza ekuqaleni bengicabanga ukuthi it's my imagination. Ukuthi hayi sengicabanga kakhulu nalezi zinto ngathi une-psychosis. So naye makangithandazela ngale, I confirm ukuthi even the pictures that were took. Nani. So after ngi-explainela athi hey girl kubi. Nami ngipick up lezi zinto ezisongaso ngawe. And manje ngikusendela ama-declaration, pray. You must fight. Ngithi fast again. Hayi umuntu uzoba size 26. You're worried about your weight or your destiny. Ngithi hey, let me push. Mase ngipush ke manje sekuyarevealeka ke. Esontweni ke. Hayi another person ke. Athi kimi uzwenzani sisi? Yini inkinga yakho? Ngithi ngiyabheda. What's wrong? Sayi yonke into yami ayikho right. Impilo yami imile ngistakile. Bathi hey ngeke ilunge vele. Angithi wena unotokoloshi. And nje obuzile la uyazi ukuthi ula esontweni. Useni lapha egate lakini. Akangazi lo muntu angimazi. Ngikhali ngithi what are you saying? Tokoloshi. Athi athi ngithi wena uvuka ngama scratches namanje day before yesterday bone scratch nana and ke mampela bese izinto zidla. Sithandaza wena. Thandaza thobe ukuthandaza igeze njengamanzi. Speak over that water. Like just water naturally. So ngithatha amanzi ami vele ngithandaza like ngithatha amanzi lawo. Just pray, speak, declare what you want to see and improve. Ngizohlanza ke. Ngiqale ke ngize lezo zinto. So mara amalanga nje adlule hayi. Angisayenzi ke manje angisavuki nama scratches angisavuki ngikhathele. Angaze ngalala ubuthongo engimlalile last month like empilweni yami ngifuna ukuthi bengilala mara bengingalali because bengivuka ikuseni ngikhathele abantu mabahamba bayosebenza mina ngiyalala ke bona mabavukile mabalele ebusuku mina ngivukile but ngivukile. Do you get me? Because this thing is using me, beating me. I think this thing was beating you up. That's why you wake up with scratches. So because when I am stubborn, vele, naturally I'm stubborn. I'm not proud of it, but even spiritually I'm stubborn. So this thing is like fighting and you're fighting back. So that's why you have these scratches all over. It's beating you, fighting. So now you shouldn't stop because there are days where you feel tired because it's draining your energy. So ke ivele lapho ke na njoba sesilahi. So yeah, that's that.
Wow, sis, no. No, you've said a mouthful, sis. Are you happy now? Are you seeing progress? Because in a nutshell, you know, when one listening to you, it tells a story of a true soldier who really, we are weak and frail in the flesh. But, you know, as it is into system, you then realize that Jehovah is truly helping them. Like, if you could have a self-delivered vomiting and sing, to say, God can literally come into your situation and then deliver you through prayer when yourself. They need to go an extension of going to a church, commit to the church, get deliverance through umfundisi, through prayers of the church or of the saints. It's an issue whereby God can literally favor you to that point of which you can self-deliver. I understand. You can self-deliver through what you're saying, Guti. You see yourself after praying so much because God knows your pain. He's seen what you've been through and your destiny because of you don't go through what you've gone through. To me, what I understand is it tells me, Guti, you truly are a destiny child and you're going to do so much a feminine yako. So it is for a reason that you have to go through. So the blockage is taking it for granted because he knows Guti. The crown in your head is literally going to lose. From here, family nature, it's going to be set free. So in that being said, you know, Jobu Kuluma so in my head, in my understanding is I start to realize that you're sitting with someone who is truly a destiny child. So it's a matter of you taking it very serious. You know, this is me thinking to myself, we are Dina because I don't understand why you don't take it so serious. But sometimes because we go through it, one may not understand. Sipho understand anyakudina ne. But just go through my shoes.
Yeah.
Nomntwana, akunababa, akunani. And I'm trying my level best. Dude, I've just fasted for a very long time for 21 days. Can't you give me some credit? Cut me something. Yes, I do, because I'm not God myself. So I put myself in a situation, maybe I would be worse.
Yo.
Look, sis, now with all due respect, banning in terms at the age of 31, they've given up.
Sure.
They are giving up so much. So when emuhle uJehova ngaso sonke isikhathi will then decide ukuthi ithi ngifulele, and but I'm going to take you through the journey for a reason. You know, ukuthi I'm going to chop off, maybe condense, chopping off humility, just bringing humility. So I'm going to chop off the pride, the arrogance, and naiveness.
Sure.
And I was also biki. Masofia to a state which I cannot see now, what you finding yourself to say, yo, Sipho yazi manje, I'm in a state where I take spirituality so serious to a point to ukuthi whichever can use someone ukuthi awutshela lo muntu ukuthi she must continue praying. Because ukawata yonke family when we won. I understand. So makhelwane makazokutshela ukuthi uyangidina usathandaza into affectani like ungena mina emzini. You know? So God speaks us in different ways.
True, yeah.
So I'm just sharing understand ukuthi life it's a mystery, but masibambisana sibonisana ukuthi sisi just don't stop. Understand who you are. Angeke sifane sonke, but he chooses one. Kuwonke umndeni. Nala ekhaya uchoose one.
Sure. And it had to be me. It had to be me.
I understand.
Yeah.
They become the deliverer of the family.
True.
But it's so unfortunate. Let me tell you, into ebuhlungu ngalaba abakhethiwe, they always go through the worst.
Yeah.
Into ekhalisa kakhulu ukuthi Lord, if you've chosen me, I'm the Joseph of my family, why you do this to me? Because umqhelo kawufana ba, if unge, why wouldn't sit as athi kumuntu amazi ukuthi is in the camp?
Yeah.
The kingdom never fights its own.
Yeah, true.
So you understanding the battle that you're going through, it tells you ukuthi, oh, so
I'm a big deal.
ongara.
Which is not cute though. Being God's trusted soldiers, ngihlale ngisho ngithi hayi baba mina ngiqanda, but angeke if God saw ukuthi ngithembile mntanami angeke ngishiye, so intando yakhe ekugcineni kumele kufezeke yona. And I think lento ishoyo, like honestly speaking, I get to now I understand who I am. I'm a destiny child and it needs now saying convicted. I understand. No, yeah. I'm the Joseph of my family actually. And it's Joseph kuba for uthi nina nanicabanga ukuthi lokho enikwenzayo ngilimaza kanti anazi ukuthi I was called to save nations. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nami the prison and all the glimpse of life were just ushering me to the palace, which is the greatness. But because obviously uNkulunkulu angakuvezela iglimpse ukuthi wena kahle kahle udalela izinto ezigreat, but you need to pass through the waters, pass through, you know, the trials and temptations. But ekugcineni these tests, they propel you to your testimony, and we are not what we went through, but you grow through what you go through. And it takes just that conviction from God and you knowing, yeah, unfortunately, some of us, our lives are not Dubai's and your vacations and just enjoying, but we have a mandate that we need to accomplish. And you're breaking generational curses, so you are who your bloodline has been waiting for. So uNkulunkulu uyakhetha wena ngoba lezi zinto ezenzeke emndenini wami kumele zigcine ngami bezikhona ezinye vele mase ngibuyele emuva kuma altars uma witchcraft vele ekhaya nje kuba into popular, but God is like le igcina ngawe, and those that follow after you will never have to go through what you went through. Ngiyayivala this portal. My kids, my sister's kids, everyone, my relative will never go through what I went through. I'm fighting. And if I am the sacrifice, so shall it be. For as long as the nation that comes after me is saved. Because, Bati, you don't carry yourself alone as a destiny child, but you carry nations. So, ngiphethe izizwe, and many people will be saved through what I went through. It's not even about me sitting here in red and just, speaking and trending, maybe, if that could be the case. It's just impacting people and they exist. Black people, witchcraft, black magic, and voodoo, they exist. But it's just that just because you don't believe in these things, it does not mean they don't exist. A naive girl, mina baba ngiyangitshela athi ngiyazi mina ngiphilile, and abangani bangingosha nami, and nawe ngiyakubona manje. These were his last words before Sean ukuthi bakuqedile mntanami, intanga zakho ziyakujumpa, uloku busy uthi awugada awubheki. Mina ngithi baba ngumzalwane, angisibelieve lezi zinto. Yes, umzalwane avume, but akusho ukuthi lezi zinto azikho mntanami. Be aware of these things. So witchcraft exists, and it's painful ukuthi uSathane esebenzisa abantu esondelene nabo, because obviously he's the spirit, and he can't come. He needs to embody himself through someone so that he can manifest or asebenze ngendlela enough destroy impilo zabantu. He came to kill, to steal, and to destroy. So if there's destruction and a lot of stealing in your life, just know good time there's a dead hand. Because icebo likaNkulunkulu ngeimpilo zethu akulona ukuthi lisibulale. Yeah, but
Bamfundisi.
yeah.
Angiyasiqeda. Sibonga ukufika.
Thank you.
It's an encouragement, especially your peers. Sometimes you just never know. Khona abantu ababheke likhulu kuwe lokishini. You're not aware, you don't know manganukathi wena, you don't know how much I believed in you. Mawulokuhamba la lokuthanda ifashion wenzani, ikhona leyo nto. So always know ukuthi when you do something good, it's not only for you. True. There's this young girl who has dreams, believes when you succeed, they succeed as well. So yeah, let me say this in closure. Ukukhuluma sis akupheli, and into ebuhlungu ukukhuluma, that's where you attract more. So be steadfast and thula.
Thank you.
My words as your brother to you, I'm going to tell you this once and for all. Thula sis. Khuluma what matters the most. Thula uthi tu. Yeah. Be steadfast in where you need to be steadfast on. Uthula reduce kanso. Dolantse libua. Lona litina kantu wane libanya. Libua so, and you guys talk so unnecessary.
Yeah.
And you talk so much. But where it's supposed to be said and heard, ani kontwana. Ubora ngani impilo umuntu malokithi tore mara. So ngicela sivale lapho siswami. My words to you as your brother, Ausaka, from now on, keep quiet. Fight where it's necessary. Continue where you are. Next time we hope that when we see you, you will come and give us a beautiful story.
Yeah.
After this day, moving forward, please do come back and tell us from this point, this is who I am now.
Definitely. Yeah.
Siyabonga sisi. Bafethu lapha emakhaya siyabonga sisi ufikile ukhulumile. I know most of us are going through exactly what she's going through. Yeah, sibaningi in this situation. So many things that are happening in our family lineages. We won't finish niyaz bafethu lapha emakhaya. Mas ngayivula. Our parents have mortgaged ngempilo zethu and our lineages. But it's not too late. We are a reason why we're here. We have to stop them. Meles Pele. Bafethu Soto Podcast Paranormal Show. Please let us know what you think about it. Sis Neo, is she on the right track? Is she motivating you? Is she uplifting you in the spirit? Has she motivated and giving you the edge and the will to go on? Let us know what you think. Bafethu Soto Podcast Paranormal Show. And Bafethu, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Bafethu yawusiseka ngikhathazile ngizwe enough ngidlile ngikhabulile ngayo. So yeah, nami ngisayothatha amandla ukuthi ngizobuya ngihlale nezimpoko ngikhulume nazo. Sika! Sokubamba uthwara mangwana. Sisi newakhona. Bafethu siyabonga. Out.